Are you ready to make some waves in Britain's Ocean City? Head on over to Plymouth and call Discovery Heights your new home sweet home. Nestled in Coburg Street, this modern student accommodation has got it all. From ensuite rooms to studio pads that are tailor-made for your comfort. Snuggle up in your cozy bed after a long day and hit the books at your spacious study table. Show off your favorite souvenirs on the wall shelves and pamper yourself with a hot shower in your own private washroom. Get ready to bond with new mates on the weekends in the common room, play some games, and store your bikes in the convenient storage units. And with blazing fast Wi-Fi, you can stream your favorite Netflix shows to your heart's content. Located just 5 minutes from University of Plymouth and Plymouth College of Art, means you'll never be far from your studies. When it's time to unwind, head to the Steak and Omelette English restaurant and indulge in their steaks and seafood, or grab an ice-cold beer from the Newmarket Tavern pub on the weekends. Plus, the property is well connected to public transportation, so getting around Plymouth is a breeze. With everything you need and more, Discovery Heights is truly a gem. So don't hesitate, book your spot on amberstudent.com today and start living the dream.